One of the basic assumptions of parametric test is normality of the data. The parametric tests assume that the underlying source population to be normally distributed. Various statistical tests are used to test normality, like a KS test, Shapiro-Wilk test, and normal QQ plots. With SPSS explore command, you can calculate all these tests easily. Open explore london traffic.sav file. This file contains vehicles traffic on 1828 routes in London City. Analyze whether this data is normally distributed or not. First, click on the Analyze tab on menu bar. From drop-down list, highlight Descriptive Statistics by placing cursor pointer on it. A new pop-up list is displayed on screen. In that, select Explore. A dialog box appears on screen. In left side pane, you find number of vehicles. Select this variable and click on the right arrow appearing before dependent list. Click on the Statistics command button. Explore Statistics dialog box appears. Select Descriptives. Set confidence interval for mean to 95%. Select Outliers and click on Continue button. Now, click on Plots command button. Explore Plots dialog box is displayed. From box Plots, select Factor Labels Together. And in Descriptives, select Stem and Leaf. Then select Normality Plots with Tests. Click on the Continue button. Next, click on Options command button. Explore Options dialog box appears. In Missing Values, select Exclude Cases Listwise and click on the Continue button. You are back to Explore dialog box. Here, under Display, select Both and click on the OK command. Explore test results are presented in New Output Window Viewer. The normality tests assume that if your sample is normal shaped, the population from which it comes is normally distributed. The null hypothesis of the normality test is that the observed distribution fits the normal distribution, and alternative hypothesis is that the observed distribution does not fit the normal distribution. If the p-value, that is significance value, is less than alpha, that is 0.05, reject the null hypothesis, which means the data is not normally distributed. In such cases, you need to use non-parametric tests. For this sample, both KS and Shapiro-Wilk test reports p-value or significance values less than 0.05. So you can conclude that population of this data is not normally distributed. Next, observe the QQ plot. You find few outliers in the dataset. As data is not normally distributed, you can try data transformations or use non-parametric tests.